Good day everyone, so for today's video we're going to replace the BMW X-Drive brake light switch. So this is the switch for the brakes, the brake light. So in order to remove that brake light switch, you have to remove this like the airbag, and yeah, another one to remove is this vent here for your foot bands here, this one. Now that we finally removed the airbag and this vent, just pull it out. There's two screws here, and now you can see the airbag is in the left side, and you can see now the brake light switch. So this is the brake light switch, guys. We're gonna replace that brake light switch. Now, if you do DIY replacing your brake light switch, make sure that you know the standard of the gap between the brake pedal and the brake switch, because there might be a chance that your brake light will always on if your brake pedal is not touching the end of the brake light switch. That's all, guys. Thank you.